Charleston church shooting suspect Dylann Roof was ordered to remain in custody on 9 murder charges on Friday, at an emotional bond hearing during which relatives of the victims expressed their grief. Roof's attorney, public defender Ashley Pennington, said his 21-year-old client was prepared to accept the no-bond arrangement. Judge James Gosnell set the next court hearing in the case for October 23. Bond was set at $1 million on a weapons charge, but Roof will nevertheless remain in custody because no bond was set on the murder charges. Relatives of the 9 victims were invited to speak at Friday's hearing. Several broke down in tears as they spoke of their loss, but also said they forgave Roof. "Every fiber in my body hurts, and I'll never be the same. Tywanza Sanders was my son. But he was my hero," said Felicia Sanders. Early on Friday, Roof was charged with 9 counts of murder and 1 count of possession of a firearm. The charges came hours after he confessed to carrying out the attack. U.S. officials are investigating the attack, in which 4 ministers were killed including a Democratic state senator, as a hate crime. It comes in a year of turmoil in the United States, where police killings of several unarmed black men has provoked angry national debates about race relations, policing and the criminal justice system. Roof had intended to set off new racial confrontations with his attack, CNN reported, citing a law enforcement source. The report could not be immediately confirmed. Calling for death penalty. Meanwhile, South Carolina Governor Nikki Haley told NBC's Today Show on Friday that she would prefer to see Roof tried on state charges and that she believed state prosecutors should pursue a death sentence. "We will absolutely want him to have the death penalty," she told NBC. Dylann Roof had complained that blacks were taking over the world, an acquaintance of the 21-year-old said. Joey Meek, a former friend who reconnected with Roof a few weeks ago, said that while they got drunk on vodka, Roof declared that someone needed to do something about it for the white race. President Barack Obama has called the tragedy yet another example of damage caused by guns in America. Charleston officials announced a prayer vigil for Friday evening. The city's mayor described the shooting at the church as an act of pure concentrated evil.